Friction stir welding is a method of joining that involves no melting, and it can be performed as part of the cycle on a CNC machine tool. Mazak has capability for incorporating friction stir welding into its machine tools, and I saw a demo recently on a visit to its American headquarters in northern Kentucky. Friction stir welding involves plasticizing the metal under high pressure, basically stirring the metal together. Here we're seeing two abutting aluminum pieces being joined through friction stir welding, but it could also be used to join dissimilar metals like aluminum and copper. The requirements are a friction stir welding tool. This one's made of steel, could also be made of diamond, a special tool holder with a load cell, and in Mazak's case, a software edition for maintaining constant pressure so that there's a good weld. One particularly promising application of friction stir welding for joining is the battery compartments of electric vehicles. The compartment can be sealed shut without heat that might damage the battery, and the compartment could be machined to its final tolerance, all as part of the same cycle. Apart from joining, another promising application of friction stir welding is additive manufacturing. The plasticized metal could be applied in layers to build up a form layer by layer. We have a whole other video on friction stir welding for 3D printing over on our additive manufacturing site.